Hey guys, back for another quick little fact date, and we have a little Z4M coupe, which is Dan's from Dan's Garage Detailing. So we'll have a look in here. So we've done an Alpine Halo 309 in here. It's been in here for a little while now. And it's also got an Audison 8.9 bit. But today I've been fixing up some little niggly rattles. So on the seat here, because everything in these BMWs has a rubberized coating, if you have two panels that have rubberized coating that are sitting together, they will squeak and rattle. So this little hanger up here was very, very, very squeaky, and Dan said because it's obviously in his right ear, it was annoying the crap out of him. I've pulled the whole thing apart and I've done some cloth tape all the way through it, so as you can tell, we have no noise anymore. So there's that one, and then as well, the cluster itself, basically you could grab these and move them, and you could hear all this rattle and creaking noise. So I've stripped that whole cluster down, which I'll throw a couple of little photos of it in here. And I've basically just gone over, I've pulled all the clusters apart and cloth taped around all of the joins, put it all back together, and she good now, no noise. That's about it. There's a couple of little niggly rattles that he was wanting to fix. I've now told him to go and make a list, and any rattles he hears, write it down, bring it back to me, and I'm gonna go through and cloth tape the hell out of this car. But there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll be back again soon. See ya. So this is Dan's from Dan's Detailing, and Dan's Garage. I'll do it again.